Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 1994 Lexus LS400 and this is by Matchbox. So this one is a special edition. You can just find it out by the card here. The special edition has the white color on the top, and even the car color is actually like silver gray with dark gray. This will be the combination for the special edition, if you guys are wondering. So I bought this from, I think, Hamleys. So I bought it for 149. So people who are asking me in comment section where you are buying this, where you are buying this every time. So I'm actually explaining it on every video, at least on 90% of the videos, that I'm buying it from where I'm buying it. So one or two I might miss because that might have came into my mind at that point of time. But this one I bought from Hamleys. So just watch the full video. At least in some point in the video I will surely say where I'm buying this. So if you are location specific, then you just ping me, or just drop a comment and ask me. I'll just check and update you on that. Okay, here is the car. Okay, so first of all, it feels like if you just fold 2 or 3 pieces of paper, how it feels. It feels like this. It is not even heavy, and the casting looks really nice, and I don't see any issues with the paint job so far. So at least when it comes to the special edition, I never saw any paint job issues with the Matchbox. So the body is made of metal and the chassis is made of plastic. So from here it is actually plastic. You can see the separation here. The tires are made of plastic. The headlights are painted, the grille details, logo, everything is painted. So good that it has rear view mirrors. You can see the interior detailing here, which is really nice. Good they didn't tint this windshields that much like they did for the Ford Interceptor. So the tail lights are also painted. Logo placement is actually good for a change. Excuse. So here is the interior detailing a little bit. I hope you guys can see it. I think that is a steering wheel here. Okay, I'm not sure how it is in the real car, but it looks like a pillar. Okay, let's see it in this way. Okay, it does get attached to the dashboard. Okay, fine. So the chassis actually has some nice detailing to it. So let's do a roll test real quick. No, it doesn't roll really well. I'm really not sure why these cars are supposed to be played with, but they are literally making it unplayable. They're taking the fun out of it. Okay, so this is not really that good when it comes to rolling, and that is really disappointing, to be very honest with you guys. Okay, the detailings are really nice. For that reason, I really love this casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.